Hi YouTube, my name is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today this video is kind of different. I'm going to be showing you a solution that I use to clean all my makeup brushes and sponges. Okay, don't forget to leave me some comments and let me know what you think. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I'll see you guys very soon. Take care. Okay guys, so this is the product that I use to clean my brushes. It's called Jet Dry Finish Rinse Aid. You put this in your dishwasher when you have your drinking glasses to make them nice and sparkly, and they clean my brushes perfectly. So check it out. Okay, so here I'm just putting all of my sponges and my brushes in the sink. I'm using the bathroom sink this time. Okay, just fill it up with warm water. Okay, you see all of my sponges and brushes, they're dirty, right? Just wait until I use this thing and you'll see how spanking new they look. So this is the product I'm showing to you guys, Jet Dry. Alright, so now I'm going to get my brushes and I'm going to put some of the Jet Dry on a couple of the brushes. Okay, I'm just showing you my brushes there and my sponges. These are my Real Technique sponges. And made sure they were nice and dirty for you guys. You can see how it really works. Alrighty, so I'm going to gather a few of them. I put some of the Jet Dry in the water also, and then I take a few of the brushes and I just put the Jet Dry directly on it, and then I'm just going to rub that into the palm of my hand like so, in circular motion, up and down, back and forth, however you want it. Okay, after I do that, then I'm just going to rinse it to see how clean they are, and if they're not clean enough as I would like them, then I will put some more of the solution and then repeat the process. Okay, so here I'm just rinsing it off, and then I'm going to put some more if I feel like they're not clean enough. Alright, so here we're putting some more. Rub, scrub. Okay, they should be nice and clean when I'm done. That black brush there, it's a Morphe brush and it's not really white, it's like a peachy color, so it's not dirty. Alrighty, and there we have it, and we're just gonna repeat the process until we're finished. Now let's try these sponges. So I'm going to do the same step. Just put some of the solution on the sponges, and then as you can see how dirty they are, and I'll just scrub them in the palm of my hand the same way. Keep scrubbing, add a little more solution, and scrub until it looks nice and new. Okay, you see all of that makeup that's coming out of it? Going. See how fast that was? Now the pink one still looks a little dirty-ish, so let's work on that a little bit more. And we just keep doing it until they're all clean. now that we're all finished, see, you can just put them back in the clean sink. All right. See, nice clean brushes. Oh, they look brand new. You see that? Put them back in the clean sink. I'm gonna get a towel, like so, and just put them on here. Squeeze some of the water out. And just put them to dry. Nice clean brushes. And that's how you clean your brushes, ladies. Trust me, try it. Okay guys, so we have reached the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you try the solution that I suggested. I've been using it for months and I really enjoy it. It makes your brushes look brand spanking new. So please don't forget to leave me some comments and let me know what you think, and let me know if you try it. Okay, until next time, I'll see you very soon. Take care. Bye.